Hi guys, I'm Ben from Adaptalux, and today we're taking a look at 5 macro photography subject ideas that you guys can try out at home. Now these are all subjects that we've shot before, so I'm going to link in the top right hand corner to tutorials on exactly how you can get results like the ones you're about to see. But without any further ado, let's get started with number 5. First macro photography idea then is oil on water. It's one of the most popular subjects that I see people trying out when they first get their new macro lenses, and it's really easy for you guys to do at home. All you need is some water on a glass baking tray with some oil on top of that. Mix it around with some coloured lights and coloured objects underneath the water and underneath the baking tray, and you'll get some amazing results both for stills and for videography. At number 4, we're talking about leaves. Just after the autumn, I went and grabbed some leaves, brought them inside and let them dry. Once they're dry, they create some really nice effects when you shine some light through them. You can see all of the details on all of the veins, and as they dry, their edges curl over, which can create some really nice effects as well with the right lighting. With something like the Adaptalux Studio, you can go exploring around these leaves with different coloured light, get some really nice effects without too much trouble. You can do all of this on your kitchen table like I did in my tutorial. And number 3, we've got some more bubbles. This is different to the oil on water bubbles that we looked at in number 5. This is using dish soap. So if you get some dish soap and take the labels off the bottle, give it a shake, you'll see that these bubbles will rise from the bottom of the bottle up to the top. With a macro lens and some lighting, you can capture that both in video form like you're seeing here and creating some nice relaxing and interesting abstract videos, but also using stills. If you focus on a single bubble, you'll be able to see all of the other bubbles refracting around inside that one, which is really fantastic to capture. Moving your lighting around and adding different colours can create some really interesting effects as the light falls on the bubbles inside the solution, so you can get some really varied effects going on inside your dish soap. At number 2 is a pretty surprising subject that you might not think would be that interesting at first glance, but moss can be a really interesting subject when you get up close. It has a lot of unique features going on inside its little faux landscape, and you can make it look almost like a jungle if you get nice and close with the right lighting. Adding some water droplets can really add to the effect, making it look like a rainforest, and adding colour can again take it to the next level. So a little bit of red in the back of our shots really made them pop. In at number 1 is probably the most interesting subject that we've ever shot. It's not one that you will commonly find around your house, but it is one that you can get really easily on the internet. It's called Ferrofluid, and it's a magnetic substance that when introduced to a magnet, it will create these amazing fluid spikes that you can move around and manipulate using that magnet. Adding some lighting, some coloured light, and moving your camera around to different angles can create some really nice abstract effects that's really great for, again, videography and for stills. I can't stress enough how cool this subject is to work with. You've just got to get your hands on some, and it really is quite cheap on the internet. Get your hands on some, get your macro lens out and give it a go. So if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to go back and check out those links to all of the different tutorials that we have on each of these subjects. You can learn exactly how we got the shots that you've seen here today. Until next time though guys, thanks for watching.